Here's what a lot of us don't know about. Some people don't cut off their families because they are cold or heartless. They do it because staying connected slowly drains their emotional strength. From the outside, this decision often looks extreme. People ask how someone could walk away from their own family. But psychology shows this choice is rarely impulsive. In most cases, it is the final step in a long and exhausting internal struggle. Long before contact is cut, there are attempts to explain. Attempts to compromise, attempts to endure. There are conversations that lead nowhere, boundaries that are ignored, and emotions that are repeatedly dismissed. One of the strongest psychological reasons people cut off family contact is emotional invalidation. This happens when a person's feelings are constantly minimized or denied. They are told they are too sensitive, that they are overreacting, that their experiences never really happened. Over time, the brain learns a dangerous lesson: that honesty leads to punishment, and that emotional expression is unsafe. Psychology refers to this process as emotional extinction. The person slowly stops sharing, stops trusting, and eventually stops showing up emotionally. Silence begins to feel safer than speaking. Another powerful factor is the roles families unconsciously assign. The responsible one, the difficult one, the emotional one, the one who is expected to absorb tension and keep peace. These roles are rarely chosen, but once assigned, they become difficult to escape. When someone tries to grow beyond their role, the system resists, because change threatens what feels familiar. So growth is questioned, boundaries are punished, and independence is treated like betrayal. For some people, distance becomes the only way to escape a role that was never theirs. Guilt also plays a major role. Many people are raised to believe that love means endurance, that loyalty means silence, and that setting boundaries is selfish. This creates trauma bonds, relationships where pain and attachment become tightly connected. Leaving such a bond feels wrong, even when staying causes harm. Cutting off contact is not the absence of love. It is the refusal to continue a cycle where love always comes with pain. The nervous system also plays a critical role. If family interactions consistently trigger anxiety, fear, or emotional shutdown, the body learns to stay on high alert. The nervous system remembers what the mind tries to justify. Distance brings calm. Contact brings tension. From a psychological perspective, cutting off contact is not rebellion. It is regulation. Outsiders often misunderstand this decision. They encourage forgiveness without understanding the cost. They emphasize blood over emotional safety. But psychology is clear about one thing: proximity does not equal safety. And shared DNA does not guarantee emotional health. Some relationships heal through communication. Others only heal through distance. People who cut off contact with their families are rarely running away. Most of the time, they are running towards something quieter, toward peace, toward clarity, and toward a version of themselves that was never allowed to exist. And once that peace is found, going back often costs more than staying away. If you liked the video, follow us for more and subscribe to the channel.